Perhaps you know how to say I know in English, but you don't know how to say I know in Swahili. Now, let's try this. Najua, I know. Najua hilo, I know that. Nakujua, I know you. Najua jina lako, I know your name. Najua njia, I know the way. Najua unachosema, I know what you're saying. Najua unachotaka, I know what you want. Najua ninachofanya, I know what I'm doing. Najua anapenda nini, I know what he likes. Najua wako wapi, I know where they are. Najua umechoka, I know you are tired. Najua kwamba maisha sio rahisi, I know that life isn't easy. Najua ulikuwa busy, I know you were busy. Najua si rahisi, I know isn't easy. Najua utaweza, I know you can do it. Najua atakuja kesho, I know he or she will come tomorrow. Najua jinsi ya kufanya kazi hii, I know how to do this work. Najua kwa nini aliondoka, I know why he or she left. Najua nini kinaendelea, I know what is going on. Najua unanijali, I know you care about me. Najua unanipenda, I know you love me. Najua nimekosea, I know I made a mistake. Najua nilikuumiza, I know I hurt you. Najua utanisamehe, I know you will forgive me. Najua uwezo wako, I know your capabilities. Asante. Now I hope all of you know how to pronounce the word Najua. You're welcome.